Minimalism isn't just about having less stuff in your home. It's about how you live, even outdoors. So let's talk about transforming your yard into a minimalist's dream. First, think about outdoor furniture. You don't need a huge patio set or a dozen chairs. Just a couple of comfortable seats and maybe a small table. It's about quality over quantity. Somewhere you can actually relax and enjoy the fresh air. Now, let's talk plants. Instead of crowding your yard with every flower you see at the nursery, pick a few low-maintenance favorites. I love the look of neatly trimmed grasses or a single striking tree. It keeps things clean and easy to care for. Clutter doesn't belong outside either. Keep your tools and equipment organized and only hold on to what you really use. A compact, weatherproof storage box works wonders and makes finding that trowel way less stressful. But minimalism isn't just about your space. It's about your life. Keep it peaceful and stress-free. Invest your energy in experiences. Spend quality time with your loved ones, not just things. Enjoy time with your family, relaxing together. Or just enjoy a coffee alone in the morning before everyone wakes up in the morning sun at a window reflecting on how much more peaceful life is without excess clutter. Relax and enjoy the simple things in life. The love of your family. Fill your time with what matters. Familial, bonding time with children, the simple joy of being present is the greatest joy. And remember, minimalism is about intention. Take a moment before purchase things and say, do I really need this? Purchase wisely, reduce clutter, and focus on what truly adds value to your life. Family. So take a breath, clear the clutter, and watch your yard and your life open up in ways you never imagined. Happy decluttering, everyone. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more great content.